In a move that underscores its commitment to enhancing defense and security cooperation, France has announced the deployment of dozens of Dassault Rafale jets to Ukraine. This strategic decision not only bolsters Ukraine's defense capabilities but also signals a strong message of support to the country amidst ongoing regional challenges. The delivery of these advanced aircraft marks a significant milestone in the strengthening of bilateral relations between France and Ukraine. The Dassault Rafale, an advanced multirole fighter. The Dassault Rafale is a highly advanced multirole fighter aircraft manufactured by the renowned French aerospace company, Dassault Aviation. Known for its exceptional performance, versatility, and cutting-edge technology, the Rafale is considered one of the world's most advanced military aircraft. The Rafale is equipped with a wide range of capabilities, including air-to-air and air-to-ground combat, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. With its advanced avionics, precision-guided weaponry, and superior maneuverability, the Rafale is well-suited for various mission types, making it an invaluable asset in modern aerial warfare scenarios. France's show of support for Ukraine. By sending dozens of Rafale jets to Ukraine, France demonstrates its unwavering commitment to the country's defense and security. This deployment serves multiple purposes, primarily aimed at bolstering Ukraine's air force capabilities and reinforcing its ability to deter potential threats. The delivery of advanced military equipment is a testament to the solidarity between France and Ukraine and highlights the importance of their strategic partnership. It represents a significant step forward in strengthening defense cooperation between the two nations, helping Ukraine build a more robust defense infrastructure. Enhancing Ukraine's defense capabilities. The presence of Rafale jets in Ukraine will significantly enhance the country's defense capabilities. With their advanced avionics and weaponry systems, the Rafales will provide Ukraine with a significant advantage in aerial combat scenarios. The deployment of these aircraft will enable Ukraine to effectively respond to potential threats, safeguard its airspace, and protect its territorial integrity. Additionally, the Rafales will contribute to the modernization of Ukraine's air force, as pilots and ground crews will have the opportunity to train and familiarize themselves with state-of-the-art aircraft technology. This transfer of knowledge and expertise will further strengthen Ukraine's defense industry and improve its overall defense capabilities. Regional stability and deterrence. The deployment of Rafale jets to Ukraine also plays a crucial role in regional stability and deterrence. In recent years, the security situation in Eastern Europe has become increasingly tense. By showcasing its commitment to Ukraine's defense, France sends a clear message to potential aggressors that any act of aggression or infringement on Ukraine's sovereignty will not go unanswered. This strategic move serves as a deterrent against potential adversaries, bolstering regional stability and promoting the principles of international law. It reinforces the importance of collective security and underscores the resolve of France and its allies to stand firmly alongside Ukraine. The Dassault Rafale is a highly advanced multirole fighter aircraft manufactured by the French aerospace company, Dassault Aviation. It is a fourth-generation, twin-engine, delta-wing fighter jet that has been in service since 2001. The Rafale is renowned for its exceptional performance, cutting-edge technology, and versatility, making it a formidable asset in modern aerial warfare. Design and capabilities. The Rafale's design features a delta wing with canards, which provide excellent maneuverability and stability. It is equipped with a fly-by-wire flight control system, which allows for precise control and handling in various flight conditions. The aircraft's avionics suite includes a wide range of sensors and systems, enabling it to perform air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare missions. The Rafale is equipped with an advanced radar system, infrared search and track capability, and a helmet-mounted display system that provides enhanced situational awareness to the pilot. The Rafale's weapon systems comprise a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, bombs, and precision-guided munitions. It can carry a combination of weapons on its 14 hardpoints, including the MBDA Meteor Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile, the Scalp air-launched cruise missile, and the laser-guided GBU-12 and GBU-49 bombs. Conclusion. France's decision to send dozens of Dassault Rafale jets to Ukraine represents a significant milestone in defense and security cooperation between the two nations. This deployment strengthens Ukraine's defense capabilities, enhances its air force, and acts as a powerful deterrent against potential threats. It also emphasizes the commitment of France and its allies to supporting Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity. The delivery of these advanced aircraft is a testament to the enduring partnership between France and Ukraine and highlights the importance of collaboration in maintaining regional stability. As France stands shoulder to shoulder with Ukraine, this move sets a positive example for international cooperation and reinforces the collective commitment to safeguarding peace and security.